The Srimad Bhagavad Gita is a 700 verse Hindu scripture that is part of the epic Mahabharata. It is considered to be one of the holy scriptures for Hinduism. In the Indian tradition, the Bhagavad Gita as well as the epic Mahabharata of which it is a part is attributed to the sage Vyasa. Another Hindu legend states that Vyasa narrated it while the elephant-headed deity Ganesha broke one of his tusks and wrote down the Mahabharata along with the Bhagavad Gita. The Gita is set in a narrative framework of a dialogue between the Pandava prince Arjuna and his guide Krishna, an avatar of Lord Vishnu. At the start of the Dharma Yuddha between Pandavas and Kauravas, Arjuna is filled with moral dilemma and despair about the violence and death the war will cause in the battle against his own kin. He wonders if he should renounce and seeks Krishna's counsel, whose answers and discourse constitute the Bhagavad Gita. Krishna counsels Arjuna to fulfill his Kshatriya duty to uphold the Dharma through selfless action. The Krishna-Arjuna dialogues cover a broad range of spiritual topics, touching upon ethical dilemmas and philosophical issues that go far beyond the war Arjuna faces. The setting of the Gita in a battlefield has been interpreted as an allegory for the ethical and moral struggles of human life. The Bhagavad Gita is the best known and most famous of Hindu texts. The text covers jnana, bhakti, karma, and Raja Yogas, incorporating ideas from the Samkhya Yoga philosophy. Many of our outstanding freedom fighters took the spark and stimulation from the Bhagavad Gita, a universally accepted book of wisdom. Innumerable of them took the news smilingly, holding the Gita in their hands. In 1905, the Swadeshi movement started in Bengal, where 50,000 people, each holding the Gita in their hands, took to the streets vowing to boycott the British goods and force the British out of India. The Gita call for selfless action inspired many leaders of the Indian independence movement, including Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Aurobindo Ghosh, and many more. Mahatma Gandhi has also mentioned Gita as a spiritual dictionary. Let's all celebrate this Independence Day by chanting the Dhyana Sloka of the Bhagavad Gita. Parthaya pratibodhitam bhagavata Narayanena swayam Vyasena gratitam Purana munina Madhyai Mahabharatam Advaitamrutavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadasadhyayinim Ambattvamanusantatami Bhagavad Gite Bhavatveshinim Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullaravindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajvalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vetraika Panaye Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Gitamrudatuhe Namaha Sarvopanishado Gavo Dokta Gopalanandanaha Partho Vatsa Sudhir Bhokta Duktam Gitamritam Mahat Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardhanam Devaki Paramanandam कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरनदनी कैवर्तककेशवा पाराचर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेचरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जनशतपदै अहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रत्वंशिनः श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुता स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगा ध्यानावस्थिततत्कदेन मनसा पच्यन्ति यं योगिना यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः।